Hey guys, today I just want to show you how to make pineapple fried rice. Okay, so, I put like cauliflowers first, then I have carrot, so we chop it like this, and this is the pineapples. So I slice it into two pieces, and then we take off all the flesh from inside, and we use that in order for as a veggie for frying. Okay, we do like this, and then we it look delicious. We chop it and slide into a small piece. Okay, then we put some garlic and oil. Of course, we put some egg. So we just fry egg something with some salt, and we have meat here. So we put pork, but it's bacon, so you can chop it into small piece. You add seasoning, sorry, and then you add cauliflowers that I chop it, carrot to come together, which and stir it well. Of course, we put some salt and some seasoning, and I have corn, so we put corns in here, and then now we have pineapple, so we mix the pineapple together in here. Okay, then we put some rice that already cooked, well done. So yes, we add some seasoning and also the salt a little bit on that. Yeah, okay, you stir it well to make that the rice absorb some flavors, and then I put some chili sauce in here to make the flavors become much better. And then we mix together with the stir fry of the vegetable as well as the egg. So you mix it well. And one of the key special thing here that the chef never known is that we don't need to put all the pineapple, so just squeeze to get some juice from the pineapple. Then you put on the fried rice, so like I did like here, something like this. Okay, then it absorbs all the flavor from the pineapple. So now it's ready, so we can put it on here on top of the pineapple. It looks very nice. Okay, that's good. So yes, it's now ready for serving for my wife actually.
Thank
Okay,
you.
we'll try it.
Mm,
Good.
the best.